Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review the 2025 BMW M3. Continues to push the boundaries of high-performance sports sedans, combining aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling driving dynamics. Building on the legacy of its predecessors, the latest M3 refines its formula with enhanced power, sharper handling, and a more sophisticated interior. Under the hood, the 2025 M3 features an upgraded version of BMW's iconic 3.0-litre twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, delivering up to 523 horsepower in the competition variant. This power is sent to either the rear wheels or all four through BMW's advanced xDrive system, allowing for a blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 3.4 seconds. Enthusiasts will appreciate that BMW continues to offer a 6-speed manual transmission in the standard version, preserving the engaging driving experience that purists crave. Visually, the new M3 boasts a more aggressive stance with updated LED lighting, a reworked front bumper for improved aerodynamics, and a revised rear diffuser that enhances both aesthetics and performance. The signature oversized kidney grills remain but have been subtly refined for a more cohesive and modern look. Lightweight materials, including extensive use of carbon fiber in the roof and aerodynamic components, help improve overall performance while maintaining the sedan's daily usability. Inside, the cabin is a fusion of luxury and technology, featuring the latest iteration of BMW's iDrive system with a massive curved digital display, seamless smartphone integration, and customizable M-specific driving modes. The M-Carbon bucket seats offer exceptional support, ensuring both comfort and control during spirited driving sessions. In terms of handling, BMW engineers have fine-tuned the chassis for even greater responsiveness, incorporating adaptive suspension, precision steering, and an intelligent differential that optimizes traction in various driving conditions. Whether on the track or the open road, the M3 continues to deliver a balanced blend of agility and power. Additionally, BMW has introduced new color options and M-performance accessories, allowing buyers to further personalize their M3. Safety and driver assistance features have also been upgraded, ensuring that the high-performance sedan remains as practical as it is thrilling. Overall, the 2025 BMW M3 represents the pinnacle of performance sedans, seamlessly blending power, precision, and modern luxury. It remains a benchmark in its class, appealing to both track enthusiasts and those seeking an exhilarating daily driver. With BMW's commitment to innovation and performance, the latest M3 ensures that the legendary M division's legacy continues strong into the future.